Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, callaloo cook up rice, also known as spinach rice. Well friends, I'm back with another delicious recipe. So friends, to put this recipe together in a little time, these are the ingredients that you're going to need. As always, I will go right ahead and leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below. So friends, before we jump right into the recipe, as always, please consider subscribing. That way you won't miss any of my new upload. So friends, for some of our latest content, be sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook, and be sure to like. So friends, to get started with the recipe, in a heated pan you want to go right ahead and a bit of oil, and also chopped garlic. Next you want to go right ahead and add your chopped veggies and stir fry for a few minutes. Next friends, for additive taste, I'm going to go right ahead and add 2 tablespoons of curb and blend green seasoning. Basically a mixture of thyme, pepper, garlic, anything that you enjoy using. You certainly can blend it up and you get that lovely seasoning. So friends, here we are. Looks amazing after fully stir fried. Next I'm going to go right ahead and add my rice, which has been fully washed. So friends, after adding my rice and stir fry for a few minutes, next I'm going to go right ahead and add my coconut milk, also known as coconut cream. and just give it a good mix. Next, after a few minutes, I will go right ahead and add my combination of mixed spices. As mentioned earlier, we'll leave a list of ingredients and measurement in the description so you can always check it out. Next, after a few minutes, I will go right ahead and add my chopped spinach, also known as callaloo. So friends, at this point you want to go right ahead and place your lid on and then reduce your temperature and let's cook for a few minutes. So friends, to finish it off, next I'm going to go right ahead and add my chopped remaining veggies. Well friends, at this point we are all done. Looks amazing. I hope you give this recipe a try, and also feel free to leave me a question you may have below. Until next time.